Hi guys, my name is Satya. You are watching SR.MOHANTY channel. Today we will discuss about Mastercam, how Mastercam is working. Okay, after opening the Mastercam, so many options are coming. You can see the interface. Here you can see so many options are coming. Now I am using Mastercam 2024. This is okay. This upper line you can see this area. This area you can see. This area can call quick access toolbar. Okay, this area is quick access toolbar. By this option, you can do so many things. Like you can create new programs. Save option is here. Open option also here. You can open new files. Print option also here. Save zip files you can open, and most important these two. Okay, undo and redo option also here. Okay, this area you can call quick access toolbar. Second options, these lines you can see. Okay, these line you can see. These lines you can see. These lines are tab like a file, home, wireframe. This one tabs. Okay, and this area you can see. These areas you can tell ribbon. Okay, now it's isn't minimize. By this option you can do minimize. Okay, this area is ribbon. And these options are selection bar. Here you can directly selection you can do. Okay, by this option you can do select. And this area is quick marks button. Okay, these options are quick mask buttons. And one more thing is this area is this fully. Okay, this area is construction area. What type of model you are creating, here only you have to create. Okay, wireframe modeling, here only you can create. This area is construction area. If I'm clicking right click on the mouse, here we can see one options, so many options are coming. These areas, these options like right click menus. By this option so many things you can do. Lines, top top view, front view, right view, isometric view, you can see in this option. Okay, most important things, here you can see manager panels. This area, these areas you can call manager panels. Okay, by this options, here is options toolpath, solid, plane, recent functions. By toolpath you can see, your toolpaths, cutter. By by this option you can see solid. By solid option, so many access you can do. Next video I'll explain so many options. In next video I'll explain other things. Plane can active recent functions you can see here. Okay, these are the when you are opening the Mastercam, these options are coming. Very simple. Okay, when you are opening Mastercam, these options will come first. In next video, we'll discuss how tabs are working. File, home, wireframe, how it's working. We'll discuss in next video.